Series X. Touch.
Drop your dreams. Because you ain't getting nowhere, is what it says. Imagine.
Do that shit there, bro. Oh yeah, and then it's all access, huh? 2 years of Game Pass. Oh, not this. It's probably in there. Look at this. They did good. The power cable doesn't have a bang ass box on it now.
It feels like opening my EDC box the first time.
Damn, look at the fucking size of that. The control, Jesus, look.
This thing looks so humongous.
Look. Oh shit. Big ass smudge mark.
Look. The PS5 was freaking bigger. Okay, bye, I love you.
Oh, the top looks like it's on.
Because it's all cold.
Power.
It's all getting my heat.
The control, Jesus.
A ver.
Like a...
Oh, yeah.
Is it included?
Almost the same, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Look, we got a share button though. In the middle.
What?
Put the big tip on the share button.
Oh, it feels a lot smoother, huh?
You know what it means, Jesus? We gotta move that black one. You want the black one back? Get the controls back.
I will take it back. I need my fucking Xbox.
Take it.
Because then every time I freaking come back, all my games are gone and look. Sit there in sadness. I was all trying to show my sick ass shot to the other day to freaking. Well, this is a while back already. I was like, yeah, watch. I have it recorded. And it was nowhere to be seen. I'm gonna come by the time. These new remotes are freaking awesome. They're almost exactly the same though, huh? Almost exactly the same. It just has this little like weird texture thing on the bottom. Makes them feel more grippy. And the instant share button right there.
Shares a terabyte. And this guy wanted to buy a fucking card.
Man.
Literally, I'm telling you, just save up 200 and get
that's so much better too. You know that little grip thing on it.
It's probably gonna make it a lot more.
Nice. That's it. That looks dope too. Come on, really nice. This thing looks intense. Where's the control? This weird green trippy thing around it. Whoa.
He's a big ass fan.
Where's the big power box? That was the main thing. Freaking power box was humongous. And the thing blew like it was freaking Hurricane Katrina. Something you guys wouldn't know because Hurricane Katrina was when you guys were like 3.
Yeah, I witnessed it. I was there.
This is nice.
My middle name is actually Katrina.
Nice HDMI cord. A lot better than the one that came on that last Xbox. Last Xbox. Longer for sure. Look at that. And then softer, I guess.
Heavy?
Kind of heavy.
Oh, damn. There's the SD part. This big old thing right here. You know? Power, HDMI, Ethernet.
Oh, my mom about to lose her shit when she sees it.
There you go.
Come on. Oh, shoot.
Es un Xbox.
That's the one terabyte.
500.
My mom's losing her
No
shit.
te creas, 35.
Sí, cómo no.
She's freaking out because it cost $500.
Un guy atrás del Smith me lo dio.
That feels a lot smoother.
Ya no voy a trabajo, ya no. Eso es lo único que, nomás para eso quería dinero yo. Sí, por ahí lo vi.
Nice little sleeve that was holding it together.
Ahí te di 20 dólares. Okay, vemos. Ahí no te queda. You don't have money for her, or no te queda. No, $20 for her.
I'm not kidding.
Oh yeah, look. USB-C. I forgot about that. So
What?
does it have a charger with it now?
No, it's still batteries. But you could buy those battery pack things online. At least it sends you some good Duracell batteries.
Show her the freaking Xbox. I'm gonna still got if you drop that control, no picture.
Look, Mary, Series X.
Look.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Carlos wants to get the PS5.
Dude, that thing is huge as heck. It's maybe like.
She's outside in the backyard. In the backyard.
Carry it. Like it's a baby. Like it's a baby. You gotta be careful with that shit. He's trying to sabotage it.
Pregnant people trying to carry something that weighs as much as a baby.
That thing's heavy, huh? It's like half Mary's weight. Compared to yours.
Where's your mom?
That's about 180 on that.
Alright.
Yeah, we have a little heater outside in Nathan's little house.
Well, there you go. That thing looks awesome, guys. Hopefully, I get to play my little brother now. Take my Xbox X back. Since I let him borrow it like a year and a half ago. And he just keeps it here at his house. But now he needs to make room for his new Xbox. They're in the house, baby, over there. Alrighty. See you guys later.